Hi SPC 1010 students, this is Melissa Parker, your instructor. It is the beginning of week 6 and I'm going to inform you about some of the things to look for in your upcoming week 7 informative speeches. Now, if you have looked, and I hope that you have, under classroom materials, you will see that there are instructions, there is an example of what an informative speech would look like, and then also a grading rubric, which, let me hold up here for you. You should fully review the grading rubric. These are the things that I will be looking for. And so what differs during week 7? Well, now you're going to be graded on your thesis and preview statement. So look for more information to come on that. Your textbook certainly does a great job of explaining both the thesis and the preview statement. And you're also going to have to ensure that you establish credibility. And so what that means is, how are you an expert on that particular topic and what makes you qualified to speak to the group about it? I'm going to be looking at the organization of your speech and, of course, as always, the delivery. In your conclusion, you're going to want to signal the end of the speech. That's one that many students miss. You're going to review your thesis statement and then really close with a bang and have a really strong, impactful statement at the end. As always, you'll need to upload an outline during week 6, and by tomorrow, today is Monday, by tomorrow I will have posted the possible times for your week 7 speech. So this week, pay attention in the classroom. Your chapters that you're going to read are going to cover effective speech delivery. You're going to learn about the 8 aspects of voice usage that are crucial to public speaking. And then I hope that you had the opportunity to review one of my very favorite all-time speeches, I Have a Dream by Dr. Martin Luther King. And that speech, of course, not only has such a huge historical significance, but also Dr. King has some specific ways in which he delivers. He uses things like repetition and alliteration, metaphors and similes throughout his speech. And if any of those you didn't know what those meant, then you'll definitely want to make sure to review the lesson for this week as well as the chapters that are assigned to you. So again, coming up, we're going to do the week 7 informative speech, purely informative. Pick a topic that you're interested in, that you want to learn more about perhaps. It can be about a historical figure. It could be about an event in time, an historical event. It could be about someone, a person who you admire greatly and want to share more information. It could be about a particular holiday. So think in terms of person, place, or thing when it comes to brainstorming some ideas for your informative speech. You'll want to select a topic that you're interested in, but not one that is very controversial or perhaps one that could be better served for, say, your persuasive speech. So a topic like texting and driving, or capital punishment, or lowering the drinking age, or raising the drinking age. Whatever the case might be, make sure that your topic for this speech is purely informative. So as you read through the chapters, you will learn as well that when you speak to inform, you are acting purely as a teacher or lecturer. So your opinion does not factor into the discussion. It is merely you sharing information, and that's why it's called an informative speech. So information, inform, you act as a teacher or lecturer, your opinion is not being factored in. So if it's a topic that you've got some pretty heavy opinions about and some hot button issues, save that for that final speech. If you have any questions whatsoever this week, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. That is absolutely what I'm here for. And I love getting to know all of you better and answering your questions. So please don't hesitate to reach out if I can help in any way. Thanks so much.